So today we're going to just make a quick video on how to replace the stock fuel filler cover with one that has a door on it that looks like this. And all the tools we really need are just a couple screwdrivers, and in this case this is actually a two-piece cover, so this top door piece is going to come off, but it's supposed to be pretty simple and should work out pretty quick. The first step is to remove your driver's side tail light, and to do that you need to remove 4 screws, and just realize that there's 2 different types of screws. These slightly longer screws are on the left side, the driver's side, and the machine screws are on the right hand side. Just make sure that you put them back where you got them from. Super easy. Pull it out and you can let it hang or disconnect the wiring harness to completely remove the assembly if it makes it easier to get access. While your neighbors mow their lawn is take your gas cap off, and then the tether for it just is it right in here. You just need to pry it out. It comes out by hand really easily, and set it aside. So for mine, wire harness is plenty long enough to go ahead and just set this down on the bumper. And you're going to be reaching up here, and you probably can't see it in the video, but there's a bunch of cobwebs that, mine's a 2011. You're going to be reaching your hand up right here, all the way up against the tub, and there's a couple of clips that you can just push on to free up the plastic cover here that we're trying to pull out. Once you get the 2 clips on this side, the rear side, pushed in, you can tilt this out a little bit. But on my 2011, on these covers, there's a pin that holds it oriented correctly, and it's on this far side. And for my hands anyway, there's no way I could reach in the back to get these clips pushed out. So I just spun this until this pin, little plastic pin, it just broke off the back side. And then I could spin this freely and get the other 2 clips out. So be aware that for at least for some of these, the easiest thing that I found was to just break the pin off, and then it just comes out, and you're ready to put your new one in. Realize there's also this rubber gasket, and mine, at least my new one, the door came with a rubber gasket to put on.